Hi, my name is Kaveh Majidi. I'm the Sales Engineering Manager for the Western region of the United States with Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise. First of all, I would like to welcome all of our customers who attended our Spacewalkers Tech Days in Thousand Oaks, California, in our headquarters. I think it's an opportunity for our customers to actually meet our technical teams and talk to our product line managers to actually participate in our roadmap development and help us release a better product into the market, whether it's a next-gen hardware product or it's going to be another feature in our software. I think one of the most exciting part of this events every year are the workshops. We are running technical workshops, and basically that's a deep dive into some of our latest and greatest technologies that we release every year, where actually our customers have the opportunity to have some hands-on experience with these new features and products. We got a very good positive feedback for this part of the event, and we hope to continue the same thing in the coming year.
Well, John Straight, he offered us an opportunity to go to this thing, and it was a great chance to be able to hear about the latest technologies and direction that Alcatel is going. So
it was a good opportunity to see what ALE had upcoming and get a chance to work with some of their stuff.
Initially, while I was going through the brochure, I think VXLAN was pretty interesting because VXLAN was something that we were looking to have a solution through ALE. So I think the eVPN class was something that really motivated me to be here.
I enjoyed seeing the roadmaps and seeing where some of our interests were, upcoming in the roadmaps, and getting a little bit of hands-on in the workshops.
Some really exciting stuff that is happening around the AOS X, and then also it's nice to be able to see the features that they're releasing with the switch line, which is what we use primarily.
I think the workshop yesterday for the network automation regarding the Ansible scripting, I think that one was pretty interesting to me because like we've always wanted to get on the automation side. It's just that we've never got any resources or hands-on experience. That lab, I mean, it was short, but then we were able to grasp as much as we can. So I think that was pretty exciting to me.
Oh yes, I think it'd be great if all of the colleagues could go there. It's a nice chance to be able to interact together and to be able to meet more people on the Alcatel team. These are people that we often will work with on a daily basis, but we don't always get to meet them in person. And then also to be able to hear about what's coming next can help them to be thoughtful about the strategy that they're using.
I would. It's a good opportunity to network with ALE and see where they can use their improved offerings.
I would definitely, because we are someone who have been using SPB a lot with ALE. All our gear is ALE, so it's always good to know what features the ALE team is adding, so that we can keep up with all the updates and the vulnerabilities that we're currently facing.
I did. It was good meeting with peers and hearing they had a lot of the same conversations that we had about different technologies and challenges that they experience. Everyone gets this similar issues, and it's good to bounce ideas off of each other.
Yeah, it was really great to be able to see customers that were using the same product lines as us and be able to see about and hear about best practices that they're using.
It was kind of interesting to see what problems the other clients are having and the kind of solutions that the ALE was able to provide. I think that was a good learning curve where we can grasp something and probably put it in words to my team.
I encourage everybody to come to these events. These are really exciting.
So if you haven't joined our Tech Days, please feel free to join in the upcoming one. We would like to see you here to have a deep dive in our products and also to have fun.